Yogah Karmasu Kaushalam.
So hello students, welcome back to our again new practical video. I, Professor Shredave from the CDOA department, Gujarat University. In today's practical video, we are going to understand what is JavaScript, how to write JavaScript, what is the use of JavaScript, and there will be so much things that we don't know, like how we can manipulate our HTML and our CSS in our HTML file, and how write JavaScript code, and from which source or from where we run our JavaScript program. So in today's practical video, first of all, we write a simple HTML code. Whatever you all know, because right now you are in a semester 2 students, and you all aware about like how to write a simple HTML code and what is the main advantages of that. So we are not going to deep dive and not going to repeat again and again. Yeah, this is the main boilerplate of the HTML. Whatever inside that HTML, we give the title of our file. It will be a JS hello world program. It is our first practical. So obvious, in any language you start the first practical, it will be a how to write a hello world program and how to run that program into your terminal, you can say. Okay, then I write my basic h1 tag, and I write my first JavaScript program. And then this is our main logic of our first hello world program, like document.write and hello world. So there will be a two possible way to print your code and show your output in JavaScript. The first one is document write, and second one we see after this concept. So what is the use of document.write? And you can see your bracket will be open and closed, and inside we write our message, like what we have to print in our program, or you can say code, and we write the hello world. And in our HTML, same, when we start something, we have to end that also. So here we start the script, we write our logic, and then we close our script tag, and then we close our body and our HTML file. So this is the simple basic HTML file, and how you can write your hello world program. So let's run this program, and how this hello world file will be visible in our output. So simple, this is HTML file, and inside this HTML file your hello world program will be written. So obvious meaning your HTML file will be run inside your Chrome or Microsoft Edge, whatever browser. So in same this program, same your code will be printed in your browser, Windows browser, or you can say Chrome or Microsoft Edge. And inside this browser, the first line, you can see my first JavaScript program will be print as it is, because it will be printed from our HTML h1 tag. But the main concept is the hello world message. You can see our main hello world message. It will be come from our document.write property in a HTML. If I change this message in document.write property, so this message is also will be changed. So it will be a very normal, and you did not need any require like a Python or Java or C, or you did not have any kind of requirement like you have to download that language or all. JavaScript is inbuilt in your PC, in your Chrome browser or in your Microsoft Edge browser. Just you have to write the JavaScript code, and you have to run that code. You did not any type of required to download any JavaScript language from the internet. It will be predefined installed in your PC. So this is the first way to write the or you can say print your program in a JavaScript. So let's see the another way of your JavaScript, like how you can write your code. So here, for example, I write the document.write. Next line, I write console.log, and inside that console.log I print that message, hello BCA students. Okay, and I semicolon, and I run this, save this program and run. So you can see in our screen, you did not see any line like hello BCA students and all, because there will be two lines like my first JavaScript program and hello world. So where is our third output? So where is console.log output will be printed is a genuine question. So in your Chrome or Microsoft Edge extension, you click on right click of your mouse, and then you have to go to the inspect menu, and inside that inspect menu you can see there will be a console section, and inside the console section, I zoom in for you. Inside that console you can see hello BCA students, your input will be printed as a output. You can see hello BCA student will be this output will be came from your console.log, and this output will be came from your document.written property. Yeah, this output will be came from your document.write property, and this output will be came from your console.log. So there will be a two possible way to print your code, or you can see run your code in a JavaScript. Either you can use a document.write, or either you can use a console.log, whichever are preferable and whichever are required for your program. You can write any one of them in your JavaScript program. So yeah, that's it for your first practical to print your hello world program in your JavaScript file. We will see more deep diver into the next practical video. Till then, thank you so much for the watching. Bye.